Ang mga choices of works ko before is just based on, I want to be a part of the dream of this person. I want to be a part of the dream of this studio, of this company. It's nice to be a part of a beautiful dream. So, medyo nakakapagod yon. Hindi lang physically yung pagod, but emotional, mental, and may sense of, parang hindi ako masaya. But after some years, I talked to myself and I said, hindi naman kailangan lahat ng proyekto salihan ko. Aandar ang mundo nang wala ka. I had to listen to myself and ask myself, ano bang cravings mo talaga? I acknowledged that and I took a break. I learned that I'm fine. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag tumigil ka, wala ka na sa sistema, parang, I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I'm not relevant anymore. No. You have to take a break, you have to pause and listen to yourself, and you will realize the world will go on without you.
This is The Good Take with Christian Bables, powered by Luca Creatives.
She's best known for starring in the Kimidora film series and for playing a fictional version of herself in the internationally acclaimed Ang Babae sa Septic Tank, which have its own theater production called Ang Babae sa Septic Tank 4. Oh shit, it's live sa Cheddar. Personally, nakatrabaho ko naman siya sa Die Beautiful, 10 Little Mistresses, and Big Night. You know her, you love her, our comedy star for all seasons, it's everybody's Ate Oge.
Hi, Christian.
Oh my
Christian ba
God.
tawag ko sa'yo?
Christian!
Oh, Christian, oh. Di Bables. Kasi yung mga tao tawag sa kanya, si Bables.
Ate, kamusta?
I'm so happy because I'm doing my first love, which is the theater, the theater na na-experience
sa
mo.
theater.
And when I say it's my first love, it's because even as a child and during high school, alam ko na nung na-expose ako sa theater, alam ko na agad na ito yung buhay na gusto ko para sa sarili ko in the future when I was a child. So now I am living that future once again. So it's never boring. It's giving you a young feeling inside, like you're a child again. Diba?
Tsaka ate, I think, ayun ang magde-define sa core mo no? Sa core mo.
Yeah.
As a person and as an artist.
True.
Yung gawin kung ano yung isinisigaw ng iyong puso.
Yeah.
Right.
Sabi nga nila, hindi mo pwedeng gawin ang isang bagay na hindi natural sa'yo.
Ang
You have to be authentic in what you do, and it has to have love. It has to have the passion. Hindi lang naman tayo puro kita,
Tama.
diba?
Tama.
Though ako, siguro katulad mo, pareho tayo, hindi naman tayo pinanganak na mayaman, ano?
Yes.
Ewan ko sa inyo, kasi yung itsura mo talaga mukha kang mayaman.
Hindi.
Totoo ba?
Oo. Kulang na lang ang sakyan ko dati, walis. Papunta sa ABS-CBN. Totoo
Ba't
yan.
sinubukan mo?
Muntik na.
Oo, hindi ka lang kulay berde, kaya hindi mo ginawa. Ano, totoo yan yung naghahabol ka ng may pamasahe ka ba? May factor din na yung pagtatrabaho ba sa theater na pinili ko, mapapakain ba ako niyan? Kasi alam naman, di ba, hindi naman ganun kalaki ang kita ng theater.
Nasana soon.
Sana soon madagdagan.
Madagdagan.
Especially because we're considering this time as the golden age
Yes.
of theater.
Yes.
Everybody's going to the theater. Because sabi nga nila, yung generation ngayon is, they feel like napakadaling mag-avail ng sine sa gadgets,
Yeah.
sa streaming, sa lahat. Pero pag theater or live show, talagang nagbabayad sila, no?
Oo, ate.
Nagpupunta sila dun sa venue.
Yeah. I think they are paying for the experience na
Got
hindi
it.
nila makukuha sa cellphone,
Yes.
sa laptop.
Oo, hindi nila mako-command na
Yeah.
i-replay or what,
Oo.
'di ba?
Ate, at saka I think bilang isang manonood, iba yung kilabot, iba yung pakiramdam kapag napapanood mo yung isang aktor na ginagawa kung ano yung love niyang gawin.
Yes.
Ang sarap sa feeling.
Yes, totoo yan.
Being hailed as the comedy for all seasons? Anong pakiramdam? Anong nararamdaman mo kapag tinatawag kang ganun?
Nagsimula kasi yung Comedy Star for All Seasons sa PGT.
Comedy star for all seasons,
Oo,
yeah.
sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Kasi, template kasi yun na to introduce a judge, kailangan may name, may iconic introduction. Si Catherine Bernardo is Asia Superstar, tapos si Donnie is Heartthrob or something. Si FMG. FMG yan.
FMG.
So ano kaya kay Eugene Domingo, ganyan. Kasi I've never had a title. Naisip nila, so PGT team thought of Comedy Star for All Seasons. Bilang ako naman ay talagang ayoko rin naman talagang tumigil for all seasons.
Oo.
O sige, go. Comedy Star for all seasons, parang, okay, hindi ako nakornihan doon, sige, go.
Oo, parang Vilma Santos, Eugene Domingo.
Kaya, hindi naman. Diyos ko, at saka love ko si Vilma Santos. So, pahiram po, Ate V.
Oo, hindi ate sa'yo
Cute
yan.
naman.
Ako very vocal ako sa'yo na, oo, magkaibigan tayo. Pero ate, meron pa rin akong starstruck factor pag
Totoo.
Yes, ate. Every time I watch you perform, because ate, di ka lang sa comedy. My God, napanood niyo ba ang Sisa? Ate, ibang klase ka as an actress. Pero tingin mo, paano nag-evolve ate yung comedy dito sa Pilipinas? Yung comedy ba na kinasanayan mo noon? Is it the same comedy na nag-work ngayon?
Oo naman. It doesn't change. Comedy is simple. But I really don't want to use this phrase because I'm not a fan of this phrase. At the end of the day, it has to be funny.
Yes.
That's it. Comedy should be funny. Whether it's a satire, whether it's a dark comedy, it has to be funny. If it's not funny, it's not comedy.
So speaking of to make people laugh until you cry, sa mga roles na nagampanan mo, alin doon sa mga yon ang pinaka-paborito mo?
Honestly, if I have to think of one material that I find it really, really funny, it's always by Chris Martinez. We can start with Kimidora. Yung Kimidora, pag pinanood ko ngayon, natatawa pa rin ako kasi mukhang tanga. Mukhang tanga, lalo na si Dora. Yung bakit? Ba't siya lagi nakagano? Ate Kimi, Ate Kimi. Tapos si Dora, ba't siya nagsusungit? Maganda ba siya? Si Kimi pala, di ba?
Si Kimi.
Nagsusungit siya dun sa kapatid niya. So pag pinapanood ko yun ngayon, natatawa pa rin ako. So, I mean, comedy is like that.
Yes.
It transcends time and kahit na anong age, kapag nakakatawa talaga. Ganun. Diba? At wala naman tayo, I'm not saying that toilet humor is not funny and you have to be, parang ang level ng funniness mo yung pang social or parang British comedy. I'm not saying that. Kahit na kahit na parang patawang kanal, kung nakakatawa.
Yes.
Kahit na parang British comedy, kung hindi nakakatawan.
Kumikimi ka naman. Kimi to.
Kaya, may ba,
Film or theater?
ikaw kaya tanungin ko. Hirap yun eh. It's two different mediums
Yeah.
yan. Parang siya ang sarap ng adobo, di ba? Pero bet mo rin naman kumain ng kaldereta. So iba-iba eh. Iba-ibang sarap ang binibigay. Film is really a director's medium. Okay? Stage or theater is an actor's medium.
I agree.
Di ba? Kasi sa film, kahit na lumuha ako dyan ng dugo, ilabas ko lahat ng galing ko sa arte, yung ang galing. Pero pag sinabi ng director na hindi ko na yun isasama sa final edit,
Yes.
pasensya ka na.
Oo.
Nasusunod pa rin yung technical aspect at saka yung vision ng director. For me, the director is the filmmaker, is the god of creating a film. Sa theater, when you're left on stage, that's yours. And the way you block yourself, so you also have to be familiar
Yes.
with the space, with your tools, which is your body, your face, and your voice. And when I throw my voice, I will make sure na kahit yung pinakahuling tao sa dulong-dulo ng teatrong ito, it's clear, it's crisp, and even if I project my voice too much, there's still that emotions. Hindi nag-suffer. Okay? So, that's what I'm saying. It's an actor's medium. Theater is an actor's medium.
Galing, te. Parang
Hindi
nung
naman,
masterclass.
it's just to clarify na sana wag natin i-compare ang film at ang stage because two totally different things. Kaya lang, ang nangyari sa If I May Share,
Yeah.
nagsimula ako sa theater and then nagsimula akong rumakit sa TV kasi syempre kailangan natin kumita, di ba? Para may pambaon, etc. etc. Nung galing ako sa theater, nag-try ako mag-TV, ang lakas naman ng boses ko. Ang laki naman ng mga acting. Ako talagang kinat. Oo, yung, pwede medyo bababaan ng konti. Kasi naglalaba lang naman kayo. Tsaka yung mga acting ko, doon pa lang nag-elevator na ako. Kasi ang role ko, best friend, di ba? Diyos ko, doon nagsimula yung role ko na best friend. Yung maraming opinion na best friend.
Sa tanging ina.
Hindi, valiente.
Valiente.
Oo, hindi mo pa alam yun. Hindi ka pa pinapanganak noon. So, action. Ano ba pangalan ng best friend ko doon? Ay, kunyari, Lily.
Oo.
Pero Lily, gano'n. Lily, huwag ka na pumunta sa bahay na yun. Kat, bakit po, Direk? Masyadong nakatagilid at saka ang lakas ng boses. Ay, sorry po. Tinutunan ko rin yun. Na the camera is here, learn how to look where the camera is without really looking like that. Diba?
Oo.
Diyos ko, ang magaling dyan is the late Jacqueline Jose. Technically, you have to be aware of everything.
Yeah.
So,
At ako naman, bilang unang beses ko sa teatro, ate, magkaiba naman tayo ng struggle. Ako, ang struggle ko, ang hina ng boses ko. Kasi sanay tayong nakalapel. Sa film and TV, pagdating ko ng teatro, yung sinasabi mo kailangang rinig ako hanggang dulo, struggle for me.
We have to take care of our voice, our throat, our body. It's really a commitment.
Yes,
100%, yeah.
Bakit ate, sa theater nyo siya ginawa? Anong idea?
Ang babae sa septic tank, basically, material siya na nagmi-mirror ng society. Like, ang babae sa septic tank 1 is about yung mga poverty poor na sinasali natin sa mga film festivals. Di ba nagkaroon ng era na sali ng sali lahat sa mga international film fest? At pag sumali, laging yung parang kahirapan pinapakita, di ba? Naniniwala naman tayo that there are more stories about the Filipinos aside from poverty. Okay? Second is the rom-com naman. Hindi ko alam kung napanood mo, Forever is Not Enough. Yun naman is saying about the rom-com movies na parang lahat tayo naniniwala na ganun magka-love life. Yung muulan, maghahabulan kayo sa ulan. In the end, maghahabulan kayo, magkikita kayo, magkikiss kayo, ganun. Hindi ganun sa real life. So yun naman yung tinackle and explore. Third is the series. Yung historical drama naman na director na si Eugene Domingo doon. And iniiba niya yung story ng history. Ginagawa niyang Hank si Jose Rizal at si Josephine Bracken, siya yung gumanap. So, di ba? Kakaasar, no? Today, we are talking about theater in Ang Babae sa Septic Tank, Oh Shit, It's Lives at Theater, because as I said earlier, parang naniniwala tayo ngayon or na-experience natin na napaka-popular na pumupunta ang mga tao, this generation, they really like to experience theater. Meron tayong tinatawag na fear of missing out sa theater na makapag-post sila na nanood ako nito and I have something to say or ganyan. So, we try to discuss that in the play, and at the same time, it's a play within a play. So we're doing a play, and you will see how crazy it is to stage a play, especially if you want to say something and at the same time be funny. The other time, just the other day, ewan ko nabasa mo yung post ko, I'm studying a song that I'm going to sing in the play. It's supposed to be really funny. It's hilarious. Pero naiyak ako. Kasi may sinasabi yung kanta, tapos nagagalit yung kanta, pero nakakatawa. So sabi ko, ay, ito pala yung play namin. Ito yung Babae sa Septic Tank. Matatawa ka, maaaliw ka, pero magagalit ka din. for something, you should watch it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So hindi ko na itatanong kung ano bang gustong mensahe.
Baka kayo nagagalit ngayon.
Okay. Given that tema, gaano ka-importante na ginawa nyo siyang comedy? Comedy ang atake ninyo.
Sabi nila, kapag ka comedy ang ginawa mong paraan ng paglalahad ng isang mensahe, mas natatanggap. Mas hindi nire-resist. Kasi napatawa mo sila. Pag tumawa sila, nakabukas na sila eh.
Oo.
Tapos pumapasok sa kanila yon. So you have to make them laugh. But in the end, while they're laughing, they're enlightened in a way na hindi sila nag-resist because they laughed with you. Okay? Not at you, but with you. So, comedy is very important if you want to say something na hindi ka agad ipupush away. Kailangan, sabi nga nila, kailangan medyo parang may flavor muna na iba, pero pag kinain na, uy, iba palang sustansya yun. Ganon. Ikaw ang galing mo sa comedy. Lahat ng ginawa mo kay Direk Jun Lana,
Yes. Thank you.
Big Night is wow.
Thank you.
That's why you won a lot of awards. Not only
Salamat.
because you're very good, but of course, yung material kasi,
Yes.
we can only do so much as actors.
Yes, correct. Correct.
Diba?
Yes. Yes,
Ang
ate, thank you.
Ang galing mo doon.
Salamat. Magaling din kasi talaga yung material.
Ayan.
Yung material at kung ano yung
At saka napagod ka doon.
sobrat eh. Sobrat eh. Parang, pero mas pagod pa rin ako pag nagba-vlog ako.
Kaya pala podcast na tayo ngayon.
Podcast na tayo eh.
Oo.
Ganda nung sinabi mo na mas natatanggap ng mga tao kapag sa comedy mo idinaan sa kanila.
Totoo.
Yung mensahe.
Yeah, oo.
'Di ba? Mas hindi sila na-offend.
Mas hindi na-offend, mas open.
Mas open.
Oo. Ang mga tao, lalo na Pilipino, gustong tumawa niyan.
Oo nga.
Diba? So,
Correct, ate.
but we have the responsibility, okay? We just don't make people laugh just for the sake of laugh. But if you can, in your own little ways, try to say something.
Ang sarap. Yes. Ang dami mo nang nagawang proyekto, no? Sa pelikula, sa telebisyon, sa teatro.
Tumigil na ako.
Hindi. Wag. Para mo nang
Never.
Okay.
God
Very
willing.
good, ate. Salamat. Pero once na na-pack up ang set, nag-cut, bumaba ka sa entablado, how tiring it is to be a Eugene Domingo.
Before, it was really tiring because ang mga choices of works ko before is just based on, I want to be a part of the dream of this person. I want to be a part of the dream of this studio, of this company. It's all, being a part of other people's dreams. And hindi ko mapalampas yun because, it's nice to be a part of a beautiful dream. So, medyo nakakapagod yon. May peak akong gano'n. Napagod talaga ako. As in, pag umuwi ako, hindi lang physically yung pagod, but emotional, mental, and may sense of, parang hindi ako masaya. Parang gano'n. But after some years, I talked to myself and I said, hindi naman kailangan lahat ng proyekto salihan ko. Hindi naman kailangan lahat ng pangarap may parte ako. Aandar ang mundo nang wala ka. Di ba? Masaya ka ba? So I had to pause. I had to listen to myself and ask myself, ano bang cravings mo talaga? Hindi lang naman sa pagkain yun. So, I need to take a break. And I want to go back to studies. And I want to travel alone. And I want to do this and that and that and that. All for myself. Okay? So, I acknowledged that and I took a break. And I learned that I'm fine. I'm fine. Hindi naman ibig sabihin na pag tumigil ka, wala ka na sa sistema, parang, I'm lost. I don't know what to do. I'm not relevant anymore. No. You have to take a break. You have to pause and listen to yourself. And you will realize the world will go on without you.
Sarap.
You're good. Everybody's good. Okay? I continued with my studies of my interest, and I did one project after another of my own choice. And then I traveled, and because of that, I met the love of my life, Danilo. And when I met Danilo, everything changed. Everything changed. I think I'm really in love with love. I think I'm the type of person who prioritizes love more than fame. So when I found the right person, which is your Kuya Danilo,
Kuya.
I did not stop kasi this is my calling, this is my mission, is to become an actress and to be a part of beautiful movies. But I go home happy because I'm doing all the projects that is my passion. Not because I want to maintain an image or I want to be, more famous than this. No. I'm doing this project because I believe in this, one project at a time, take your time. And when I go home, the love of my life is there waiting for me. And for me, that's fulfillment. For me, that's giving me renewed energy every time. So, I'm an actress, yes, but first of all, I'm a woman. I'm a person.
Yes.
And I cannot live without love.
Ang sarap, ate. Oh my God. My God. So, ate, during the time, no, na parang nag-pause ka, nag-reset ka, at hinanap mo yung sarili mo,
Yes.
ano yung one thing, no, or things na takeaway or lesson na ginagamit mo ngayon for you to stay,
Itong gusto kong,
yes,
yeah.
at hindi na darating sa'yo yung pagod na ako, burnout na ako, ayoko na.
I prayed.
My God.
I prayed. I talked to myself. They say kapag kinausap mo yung sarili mo, it's like prayer. But ako, kompleto ako. Nagdadasal ako, nagsusulat ako, kinakausap ko sarili ko, pumapasok ako sa lahat ng simbahan. I see to it that my faith is strong. And I get my strength from praying a lot, okay? So, at this point na para sa akin, na-achieve ko na yung balanse. Because more than anything else, yung balanse ang kailangan mong mahanap. And also the maturity is only your faith that will keep you there. Okay? So, because hindi mo naman talaga makokontrol ang mga pwedeng mangyari sa'yo.
Yes, yes, ate.
Hindi mo makokontrol ang behavior mo. Hindi mo makokontrol ang nangyayari sa mundo. But if your faith is strong, it will keep you intact
Yes.
and
Yes.
enlightened and humble.
Yes.
Because there's a greater power more than you. Kahit na sabihin mo pang you're the strongest, you're the most blessed, no. It's the faith that is keeping me balanced.
Tama, ate.
Yeah.
And if I may add, no, ate, I think, kung i-correlate ko doon sa faith na sinasabi mo, ate, I think it's waking up every day choosing to acknowledge the purpose na meron ka.
Yes.
Finding that purpose na ibinigay ni God sa'yo kung bakit kanya hinayaang magising sa araw na ito.
Right.
At kung bakit na inihahain ang mga oportunidad na ito sa'yo, being
yes.
able to act in front of people, being able to do a project na may gustong sabihin, it's a blessing. May purpose yun.
May purpose yun.
Yeah.
Hindi naman yun yung parang binigay. It's a gift.
It's a gift.
It's a gift. So, everything is bigger than us. Everything is bigger than us.
Yes, ate. Napunta tayo kanina kay Kuya Danilo.
Yes.
By the way, mahal ko din yan, si Kuya Danilo. Kagaya ng pagmamahal ko sa aking ate Oge.
Oo.
Matagal mo siyang hinintay, ate?
Oo, ang tagal. Na-meet ko siya. Actually, hindi ko siya na-meet. He popped in front of me.
Ganda ng storya nila. My God.
Because of Barber's Tales.
Oo.
Yung Barber's Tales na ginawa kong pelikula for Direk June Lana, na, isinali namin sa Udine Film Festival in Italy. And your Kuya Danilo is a film critic. They have a website. It's just a side hobby. And he was there. Kilala na niya ako sa Kimidora tsaka sa Septic Tank because pinapalabas yung mga pelikula sa festival sa Italy. And then he just went in front of me and then he said, we're friends in Facebook, mga ganyang echos-echos. Wala naman akong Facebook.
Ba't parang lumilit yung boses mo?
Talaga din alam. Tapos, nung mga time na yun, Christian, ano na ako, yung tipong, kasi parang 45 na yata ako noon. Siguro naman pagod na ako sa kakaharot, di ba? Tsaka yung mga hinarot-harot ko naman, puro fail-fail, nakakapagod. Ayoko na. Di ba? So, parang ayoko na. Hindi ako nakaayos noon, hindi ako naka-makeup, wala ka talagang purpose na maghaharot sa ibang bansa. Pero, sarap ko, lumitaw siya, ganyan. Tapos niya gusto mag-pizza with the friends, gano'n. Sabi ko, ayoko ng arte. Di ba?
Sa Udine ito nangyari?
Oo, sa Italy. Hindi, sinabi ko lang na, we have a schedule to follow, mga ganyan-ganyan. So in other words, that was our first encounter. And then even before I left to return to the Philippines, sabi ko, iba yung dating ng taong yun, ha? Yung details kasi nun, isang episode pa eh. Baka sa February, guess mo ako ulit. Kailangan kong makonect sa kanya ulit. At bilang Pilipina na maabilidad, alam mo naman, gumawa ako ng paraan. So, nagka-connect kami ulit through email, through Skype. May Skype.
Gusto ko lumiliit talaga yung boses niya.
Konti na lang pasantunin nyo na ako dito. Simula tayo sa theater sa
Laki ng boses niya nung simula eh.
Ano ba? Huwag nyo nga akong tuksoin. Ano ba? Naiinis ako sa inyo. Nanunukso kayo. Wag!
Sana hindi ka na nag-blush on kasi ito na eh. Natural na eh.
Naka-flash on ba?
Hindi ba? Sorry.
Nakainis talaga.
Oh my
Ano ba
gosh,
yan?
ate. Masasabi mo, te, na lalo na dyan sa mga pinanghihinaan ng loob.
Oo.
Darating.
Oo, darating. Tsaka siguro nasa mali kayong lugar. Huwag kasi kayo
Ganda.
magsiksikan dito. Wala nang lalaki, puro bakla na.
Sorry.
Oo, di ba?
Saan na pa ako?
Pag wala. Know your market and know where you should be. Diyos ko, huwag na i-push, magsasayang ng oras, dahil alamin niyo kung saan kayo dapat bibibilad. Isda. Oo. Di ba? Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di ba? May potential ka.
Alam nyo na. Mag-abang-abang kayo ng mga piso fare. Simulan nyo na mag-abang ngayon.
Oo. Biyahe lang ng biyahe.
Ate, kung meron kang gustong i-retake na sitwasyon sa buhay mo, ano yon? And why?
Ay, Diyos ko. It's tennis.
Okay.
I started learning, kala mo may kinalaman sa sa pag-arte. Sorry po, hindi. I started learning tennis like 20 years ago. And then I stopped and not consistent. And then now for the past 2-3 years, mas consistent na ako. I really love the sport. But, your body changes. So, mas maganda talaga you start a sport when you're younger. Sana mas naging consistent ako. Sana nung nag-aral ako ng tennis, uulitin ko pero consistent na ako. Yun. Otherwise, everything else that I've done in the past, I'm really proud of. Especially when I decided to finish my studies,
Galing.
when I started to live alone, independently, when I decided not to do drugs, when I decided to not to be afraid to travel alone. Those things, wala akong regret sa mga ganong bagay. Yun lang sports. Sana I have done more sports, I have done more skills like dancing. Di ba? No, you have the time. Ikaw, pwede ka pa. Take all the sports and the dance. Kasi when you're I'm not senior yet. Wala pa akong senior's ID. Very soon, yes. May mga limit ka na physically. That's the truth, you know. But as long as you have that body, you're young, you're flexible enough, please don't waste it. Don't waste it. Explore, do things physically, be active, learn new things, learn to dance, learn sports, be outside, do activities because time will come, medyo limited na. So, don't just be inside your room, okay? Go out. Yeah. So, for me, if I have to retake something, I'm gonna do more sports.
And that's the good thing.
Yeah, that's a good thing. Yeah, it is very good.
Pakibim na kaunti. This is from my own brand, Wild Skin. So
Kaya mo pala, W!
And this is from Heavenly Desserts, ate. May Chef Jeng. Ayan. Masarap ito sa sana yung magustuhan.
Thank you so much.
Happy thank you.
We would like to thank our brand partners, Wild Skin, Heavenly Desserts by Chef Jeng, and Silpo Joyce Furniture for supporting this program.